Fixing a room with too much neutral tones. Ever look around your home and wonder if your neutral tones have tipped from calming to a little dull? Key takeaways. Neutrals create a calm base, but texture, colour accents, artwork and plants are what stop the room feeling flat. Injecting colour doesn't mean overhauling everything. Start small with a palette that feels personal and balanced. Soft sage greens or muted terracotta work beautifully alongside beige and grey. Subtle depth without disrupting the calm. Choosing accent colours. Look to nature. Deep olive, mustard yellow, or earthy tones blend beautifully with neutrals. A velvet cushion in burnt orange or a silk throw in dusty rose adds colour and tactile interest at the same time. Creating contrast with bold hues, 1 or 2 statement pieces in jewel tones, emerald, sapphire, ruby, can transform a neutral room. Bold shades don't have to dominate. A dark navy reading nook or a coral accent in the living room can set entirely different moods. Textures that tell a story, woven fabrics, natural wood, and layered materials add depth that plain neutral colours simply can't. Layering fabrics for depth, cushions, throws, and rugs. In jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, or warm amber bring warmth to soft greys and beiges. Mixing materials, wood, metal, and ceramics, layers personality into a neutral scheme and makes it feel curated, not flat. The art of statement pieces. 1 or 2 carefully chosen items can do more for a neutral room than a dozen small accessories. Selecting wall art that captivates, a large canvas with watercolour greenery in muted greens adds a focal point without overwhelming. I paired subtle, neutral walls with botanical art in earthy tones. It brought a sophisticated warmth to the whole lounge. Japanese-inspired prints bring calm structure and subtle colour, a refined way to break up an all-neutral palette. Incorporating sculptural elements, colourful vases, and ceramic objects layer personality into the scheme and help you feel connected to your space. A set of large living room prints can anchor a neutral wall and give the eye somewhere to travel, without any fuss. Mindful decor. The goal is balance. A room that feels peaceful and cohesive, not busy or overcorrected. The role of lighting. Warm shades brighten a sombre space, while cooler shades can feel gloomy in dim light. Choose carefully. Plants and nature. Greenery brings life, contrast, and warmth into neutral spaces, and they do it effortlessly. 3 living room prints in a set give you an instant, cohesive look, perfect if you want personality without overthinking it. Summing up, you don't need a total colour overhaul. Texture, colour accents, art, and plants are all it takes to bring a neutral room back to life. Pro tips: layer colours gradually. Start with cushions or art, then build up. And always check how your accent colours look in the room's actual light before committing. More about, find all our wall art collections at About Wall Art. There's something for every neutral room. Did you know styling your home doesn't have to be guesswork? We've built a free set of home decor tools and styling guides, from colour theory and design principles to gallery wall layouts and art sizing. Download them all from our site. Find all you need to transform your home into a calming oasis. Happy decorating.